What's up guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, it's me JCW, and today we're going to take a look at my Mini JCW R56 from 2012. We're at a beautiful location, as you can see right here, nice castle. This is the car, and let's get into the beauty shot, shall we? Guys, we're now inside the car, and let's take it for a small drive while my rooftop is still open. First of all, why did I buy this car? My previous car was a Volkswagen Polo GTI from 2011, and it was also a pretty powerful car for the way that it had 180 brake horsepower, so it's pretty decent. But the driving experience of that car was not really that well. It was powerful, but nothing more than that. You want that experience of sound, the engine noise that it makes, etc. And that didn't really have that at all. So when I came across the Mini JCW that I'm driving right now, the R56, it did have that feeling. It did have this sound, you know, that it makes with the 211 brake horsepower. It produces 260 Newton meters of torque at around 6,000 RPM, which is pretty good to me. It goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.3 seconds, or 0 to 100 k's, and yeah, it's the same. So it's pretty quick for a small car like this. I'm currently running on the winter tires. There are 17 inches. I just bought them second hand, well, used set of tires with 4,000 kilometers on the clock. I have to say, I had the JCW 18 inch, as you've seen before with the beauty shots, and the 17 inch runs much better. I'm thinking of even changing my 18 inch summer wheels to 17 inch because it's not that, it's a stiff car, and with the 18 inch wheels with less tire, it's even more bouncy. And besides that, you have the car automatically follows those trails of trucks and lorry trucks that have been created in the roads throughout the years. So this is a much better driving experience. It's more accurate when you turn in the car, so that's even better. The car's been fitted with a lot of, well, the car is completely loaded. I have to say, it has a double sunroof. It has the interior lighting, so you can change the color of the interior lighting. You can change the intensity of the interior lighting. It has Alcantara on the dash, leather on the dash, leather seats, multifunctional steering wheel. So entertainment-wise, it has the navigation system integrated. It has the Harman Kardon audio system. It's a loaded car, and that's what it makes it so cool. It's completely black from the inside, black roof lining as well. So it's amazing, and that's why I picked up this car and chose it above the Polo GTI. And the car makes those incredible pops and crackles and noises when you accelerate. You've also seen it in the previous shots, and heard it in the previous shots, so it's absolutely amazing. I hope you get a good impression of my car. It's definitely not the last video that's been created of my car, and I hope to see you guys soon. And please make sure to subscribe, give a comment if you have any questions about this car, whatever, or my previous car. It's also featured on my YouTube channel, so make sure to check that out as well. And hope to see you guys soon. Cheers, bye bye.